How's it going, guys? Today I want to talk to you about breeding tetras. The way that I successfully bred blue Columbian tetras, glow light tetras, bloodfin tetras, and others. So the fish, they need to be large and mature. They need to be good quality fish, meaning good genetics. Wild caught is preferable to me because a lot of aquarium strains are washed out, inbred, or just not very high quality because they are mass produced for the aquarium trade. And your fish need to be well conditioned, meaning they need to be well fed, nice and fat, and good and healthy before you move them out. You can see in the photograph there the actual breeding group of 6 red and blue Columbian tetras that I moved outside for my summer tubbing with tetras. So the setup that I bred the tetras in, it was outdoors. It was a 30-gallon Walmart tote, just like you see in the picture. It had a filter, no heater. I picked some leaves up out of the woods from my house, making sure that no pesticides had been used in that area or anything like that. Driftwood also gathered from outside just around my house, and tons of water wisteria that I had from an aquarium that I tore down that I threw in there to provide cover for fry. As far as the care, once I moved them out, I did 0 water changes, only top offs whenever the evaporation rate was too high. Lots of tannins in the water with the driftwood and the leaves. I would change the flow rate, meaning I would let the filter uptake get clogged so the water would move very slowly for about a week, and then I would take it out and clean it and increase the flow rate. It went through its natural temperature swings, and I probably fed bi-weekly, letting them just feed on mosquito larvae and other natural foods that would land in their tub. Getting a breeding group, I suggest a minimum of 6. The tetras prefer larger groups. I would start out with a group anywhere from 6 to a dozen. They love to spawn in leaf litter and plants, which is why I had the water wisteria and all of that leaf litter all over the bottom of the tote. You can kind of see some of the wisteria sticking up there in the picture. The fry feed on biofilm and other microorganisms in the tub and continue to grow, and eventually the fry came to the surface and began feeding on prepared foods. Now, I will say when I started noticing fry, I increased my feedings to at least once a day with prepared food just to help supplement the fry, which you can see I have circled in the picture there. The results, I had a ton of fry, well over 100. All of the fry looked healthy. 0 of them needed to be culled. They all adapted well to the aquarium when they were moved back inside. I brought the fish in when it was overnight temperatures into the 50s, and it was really a roaring success. The main problem I had was having enough aquarium space to keep all of these fry once I brought them inside until they had grown out to sellable size. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Make sure you hit that subscription button, and I will see you next time.